What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to install Google Gemini as a desktop app on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to gemini.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Cast, Save, and Share. Then click Install Page as App. A small window will appear where you can rename the app if you'd like. Once you're ready, click Install. After a few moments, Google Gemini will open as a desktop application. You can also choose whether to create a desktop shortcut or pin the app to your taskbar for easier access. And that's it. That's how you can install Google Gemini as a desktop app on your Windows PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.